Hello friends, you are on the DenDN TV channel, and in today's video we will do a very simple DIY, everyone can repeat it. And so I won't talk for long, let's start. So to make our homemade I will need, these are the plugs. We'll need a plastic pipe along with specific holders and a cap to accompany it. Now the initial step involves taking this piece of pipe, which is approximately a meter long, and splitting it into two halves. For this task, we'll use specialized scissors to effectively cut the pipe. Alright friends, here's the intricate detail we've achieved. The following step involves setting up a delivery for this piece. Using regular plywood, we'll craft the necessary delivery. I've already sawed off a segment like this, and now we'll enhance its appearance and witness the outcome.